Hi there, Chris here, and Suki on our S&G pillow. Welcome to another edition of Stock Lock Sunday. I have a wafer lock. This is what the emblem is on it. The emblem, the whatever you call that. What do you call that? The stamp. But I don't see anything else, and I don't recognize what this might be. Someone might know. One of my viewers might know what it is. Anyway, it is a wafer lock. I have no key. I just got it. So I'm going to see if I can pick it for Stock Lock Sunday here. Get it facing right side up, stir. Is that going to work? That may work. Okay. So, looks like there's some wafers in the bottom. Not feeling anything very positive under there. Let's try the top. A little bit of a movement on the core. What's happening in the bottom? What's happening is an open. Okay, so that gave it up. At least I didn't rake the damn core out of it. Yeah, Stock Lock Sunday. Let's see if we can get this back. Closed. There we go. Yeah, if anybody knows what kind of lock this is, please put it in the comments. Always a fool to try it again, but I'm going to do it. What the heck? So what did I do? Oh, we tried the bottom first. Really not feeling anything happening down there. Okay, a little movement on the core. Still some loose wafers. Hit something in the back and we're open. Okay, Stock Lock Sunday. Let me know what this is. Thanks for watching. Oh, the other thing is I've been very, very busy the last 2 days helping my friends out. So I want to apologize. I'm way behind in watching all your videos. But I will catch up and watch them and comment and respond to my comments on my videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy Stock Lock Sunday.